I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
Watch this video to learn how to find and recode multiple transactions in bulk to save time keeping your records accurate. Click Accounting, then select Find and Recode. Click Find and Recode. Select All to search for transaction lines that match all of your conditions, or select Any to search for transaction lines that match at least one of your conditions. In this example, we'll keep All selected. Next, click Add a Condition. We'll select Account from the list, but you can choose the condition relevant to your search. Select whether the condition is or is not, and specify the details. This will depend on your chosen condition. We'll leave Is selected, then search for and choose Bank Fees. You can click Add a Condition to add more conditions to find the transactions you need to see. Once you've added your conditions, click Search. Use the checkbox to select individual transactions, or select all items, depending on which transactions you need to recode. Click the Recode drop-down to choose the recode method. We'll choose Recode Source Transaction so Xero changes the original transaction rather than corrects the error with a manual journal. You can change the contact, account, and tax rate by clicking into the relevant field. You can also use the Add option to change assigned tracking options if you've set them up. We'll change the tax rate to tax-exempt 0% in this example. Next, click Review to see a summary of the changes. Once you've read the warning and are ready to continue, click Confirm to recode the selected transactions. You'll see a recode summary that shows the details of the updated transactions. To recode more transaction lines with the same search conditions, click the This Search link. The transaction lines you've already recoded won't show in the search results. Users with the advisor role can use Find and Recode to quickly and easily update multiple transactions at once to ensure accurate financial records.